Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. We got a 2004 Chevy Corvette. As you can see, this thing is a convertible. We're getting ready to put this on a lot. I wanted to share this with you. We'll do a quick walk around on this thing. And you know, going back to the past in 04, man, this thing was a styling, and it's still styling. I mean, this thing is awesome. I've got the top down. I'm going to actually go on the inside, show you the inside, but I'm also going to put the top up. So stay with this video to its entirety. It's going to be pretty short, but I'm going to show you everything, including that top. Get down through here, look at the dual exhaust and your chrome Corvette plate. Now, this car does have a 5.7 liter V8 engine, and boy, does it sound nice. Nice chrome wheels on the car. So I wanted to take my time on doing a walk around on the body. This thing is beautiful. So I want to spend just a moment before I actually get in and show you everything about it. Really simple and easy to put the top down or to put it up. Show you the inside here. This is an automatic. So let me go ahead and hop inside. Okay guys, I'm on the inside of it. I wanted to show you the instrument cluster. And you do have cruise control on the stem. Now let me come down here, show you underneath. Right here is trunk release and lights on the front. So let's go over here at the audio section. It does have a CD player, AM, FM radio. Scroll down here is your climate control, and down here the gear shift, active handling button right there. You do have a lock button here. The armrest will come up, but I wanted to show you just how easy it is. I'm going to put both of the visors down. You'll see the latches right here for the handles for your top. It is like super easy in order to get this top to go up and down. Let me go ahead and start this thing up. But as you can see, it's running. Let me go ahead and take him back so you can hear it. Now, before we go in back, I wanted to show you, you do have on your door panel, your window, automatic windows up and down, locks, left, right mirrors, but you also have a 2-position setting for your seat. So it'll go right back to the position you have, and it is power seats. So let me go back here. This thing does sound nice. Let's go ahead and put the top up on it. Okay guys, as you can see, I have the top up on it now. I want to show you the latches that are right here. They're lever latches. They really just open that easy. So when you do this, it's closed. Do it the opposite way, it's open. Same thing, you have one right here, and that's really as simple as what it is. Let's take a look at the top from the outside. Okay, here we are on the outside. Get up close. Actually, the top appears to be in good condition. No rips or tears in this. So go over here, I'll show you everything about it, and we'll hop on the other side. Okay, here we are on the passenger side. Now I do have the window down, so show you the top over here. Let me go ahead and pop the hood up.